Welcome back to No Full Stops, the show where we take you through different ways to start living. Our next dance routine is aerobics combined with Latin American dance moves. And it's called Zumba. Yeah, that's what it's called. It's a great cardio workout. It's a lot of fun. And it's the latest fitness craze. Let's go check it out.
My body became more flexible and I could do movements very easily.
It's a kind of workout where you can train all your muscles together because it focuses on different muscles.
Stamina is improved, my fitness levels have improved.
Three different people, three different benefits, but all grooving to the same beat, Zumba. Zumba is a dance aerobic workout which packs in Latin American dance forms like samba, salsa, cha-cha-cha, mambo and more into a 1-hour vigorous class. It is based on the principles of interval training, which means there are high-intensity moves, followed by low-intensity moves that helps in burning calories faster.
It tones your entire body because first it's a cardiovascular workout, so it does a lot for your heart and your lungs and your stamina. Of course, you're burning a lot of calories. Then, as you saw, you keep moving the waist, so there's a lot of core involved in it, your abs and your back. And then because you're in this position, your thighs are involved. Then we had squats and lunges inset into it, so you work your thighs and your lunges. So it's basically a very, very total body workout.
Shalini Bhargava, who runs JG's gym in Mumbai, is the only certified Zumba instructor in India. She introduced Zumba as part of her aerobics class in 2006, and since then, the response has been tremendous, with kids as young as 4 to women as old as 60 grooving to its beats. So, while age is definitely not a criteria, people with a knee or a back problem should refrain from taking it up. An hour of Zumba can help you lose anywhere between 200 to 400 calories, depending on the intensity of the workout. It can be made part of your fitness routine for either 3 days or 6 days a week. But remember, it has to be a combination of both exercise and diet control if you need to lose that weight.
You guys have managed to catch your breath after our last workout because it's time to lose your breath again. That's right, there are no full stops on this show. Today we're going to do a very interesting class. I'm at a dance studio called Arts in Motion in Sion East in Mumbai. And the dance is called Krumping. The Krumping is inspired by a street form of African American dance, and a little bit of it is taken from hip-hop. It's a little mix of everything. Now, when you think of African, I think, that's crazy dancing, but it's not. It's a little bit crazy, but also really, really a lot of fun. I've never done it before, but they say it's a great way to let out your anger and your frustration. Hey, then what are we waiting for? Let's get started with our teacher, Melvin. Let's crump.
Krumping is a very freestyle form of dance. It started out as a way of fighting without the use of weapons, a non-violent way of showing aggression. It involves chest pops, feet stomps, claps, and boots.
The more we do this class, the more I'm loving it. Actually, there's a bit of everything. Some warm-up, some stretching, some choreography, and some stomping. And I like that. It's a lot of fun. You definitely have to try this class. But for now, follow me.
Krumping requires no prior training and unlike other dance forms, it has no limitations. You can do whatever you want as long as you keep in mind the basic style of the dance. But let me tell you that this is a very high energy dance that will tire you out in minutes.
Take a minute break. Hands are hurting.
So hi TJ, are you enjoying the class?
I don't think I'm stomping hard enough, but I'm enjoying the class. This is Anchal Gupta. She's the brains behind Art in Motion. Anchal, can you tell us a little more about Krump? Is it very popular? Like, what's the reaction?
Well, we've just introduced the dance for the first time. We had a response of 40-50 people when we had the first demo class, and there are about 25 people in class. So I'm sure that it'll pick up. We're just, we're trying to build Krump Hop as a culture in India, like how today a salsa or a jazz has become a culture. It's a part of our Indian culture.
Is age a criteria for
Age is not a criteria, but as you see, the moves are aggressive and strong and powerful, so I wouldn't recommend it to somebody who's having a back problem or or a bad. Well, it's perfect for somebody who's having a bad day. You get it all out. Yeah.
Krumping is an ideal option for youngsters. From a fitness point of view, it helps in weight reduction, toning, stamina building, and strength training.
Okay, it's time to take a quick break, but make sure you come back right afterwards for some more dance forms.